Okay, carrying on from the other day. It's now Tuesday, it was Sunday when I first attacked it. Ordered new calipers, fingers crossed it's the right one. Right, so this is the wrong side. Yes, got my advanced auto parts. So fingers crossed this is the opposite to the one I've just checked. Ain't going there for now. Yeah, it cost 70 quid for the pair. It's quite awkward because it's not quite the same. There's a lot of different calipers to choose from. First set I found, which was 67 odd quid, but for the TID, that's different. So, because this is the ttid, it is actually a different brake setup. So I'm really hoping, you know, nothing's been lost in translation. That looks good to me. That does look good to me. I say it's got new release nipple. Have to reuse that pin. Come on. Okay. So let's see. Grease nipple, handbrake, handbrake. Okay. Yeah, so advanced auto parts. Kit comes with two. I'll show you. Comes with a grease. And two copper sort of crimp spacers, crush spacers, whatever they're called. Yeah, so it should be a case. No, do you know what? I'm not going to say how simple this should be because I'll make it all go wrong. So, toolbox. Now this is the bit that's going to fight us. As you can see that with handbrake cable goes into the caliper. Apparently it's aluminium caliper, steel sleeve, and they pretty much weld themselves together. Apparently so. Got a bloody good soaking before it starts smashing it with hammer. It'll be interesting to see if on the new oh nice, yeah. Interesting to see. Remember I was saying about the winding tool won't fit in there? I'll see if I can fit my winding tool on the new caliper. Yeah, still don't quite fit. So hopefully that's wound in far enough anyway for me to cross that bridge when we come to it. I think before releasing the brake fluid, I think we should see if we can try and get that loose. This cable should literally come loose, slide the cable out through, and then that'll go straight back in on the new one. It's supposed to, but obviously steel and aluminium react. I think we'll prepare to fail. Punch that through. Bigger hammer. for a minute. And so I've got those two new crush washers. So place those old knackered ones. Okay, put that super safe. If I had to return these calipers, I wouldn't be so keen to do this. But okay. See, it's like cast. See, it's like crumbly. Still holding on well. You gonna come out now? Probably not. So I drop a caliper on my nuts. Whoa. Let's hope this new caliper's the right one then. Yeah, good stuff this, in fairness. Right, so what have we got? Huh. If I check, that was what I did on there. I knew this was supposed to be 2. It's old. Assuming this grease they're giving us is for the slide pins. Let's have a look at the instructions. So it's a bit late now, we're in, aren't we? Right, does this all look right? Lining up. Lining up. That'll do, the big man. And obviously we got our bleed screw there, getting the old man over for that later. Oh, we got a new handbrake return spring, that's handy. I bought a pair of them last week, but never mind, didn't know, did I? I said last week, a couple of weeks ago. Okay, alright. While you're in here and you got it in your teeth, you might as well clean a few bits and bobs out of here, you know. Yep. I'm not a mechanic, guys, as you'll see. I'm also not going to pay a mechanic to do a job I can do. Not the car can go anywhere, because once I popped that caliper up on the last video, I'm dead in the water, won't yeah, seems a good quality caliper. So let's pop out that bad boy. Right, I'll put the caliper in place and then plumb it in. Yeah, I probably should, shouldn't I? Thinking about it. Don't panic. I know I haven't put my drums in yet, my discs in. Pads even. Right, yeah, we'll do that. But yeah, I said it was a Torx bit the other day. It's actually an Allen piece by the looks of things. Or somewhere between the two. My Torx piece was working really well, so you know. I suppose you can do both, can't you? Because like I say, you can't argue that's not a perfect fit, so. I can't remember what size Allen they said, was it 8? Might be an 8mm Allen key. Not entirely sure, guys. All I know is it worked. So you can see that's the inside edge. Well, it was on the inside, whether that's where it's meant to be. God only knows. I know it's good practice to put copper grease on them, but my copper grease isn't in my hand. I cannot be asked. Let's do it properly now. Go get the copper grease. You're better. You're all as disorganised as me, guys. Oh, I should have got my chair. Okay. That's a fresh one now. The rugby can't hide. Okay. Two rings are identical, so we'll have one on the inside. Feeding through. Yeah, that was me crashing into my phone. Yeah. Did I just spray the wrong side? Oh, what? I did, didn't I? I sprayed the sides already out. So we'll have to try and work something out with that now. Again, not hugely worried about that. Just so long as I can get it back together. Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Alright, Lily. Oh, that's a much smoother fit than it was on the other one. Right, handbrake's in place. I've hooked this ratchet now, which should take up all the slack on the caliper. Yep, you can see it going in, hopefully. The brakes are pumped on. Okay, that's taking the slack up nice. Let's check all out of the tightenings now. Okay. How many times am I going to headbutt that camera? We'll order a new one. I'm not even going to bother. So there we go. I say not a professional job. I'll order another one of these return springs. I had a feeling that was going to break. Return spring, it's not a return spring, it hooks around there, stop it rattling. Got the old man heading over with his size 9 boot to help me bleed them now, and he's got the pipe. But yeah, like I say, not a perfect job, but a lot better than what we had. I'll be doing the same again on the other side. But as long as you got brakes that aren't squealing their tits off, we'll take that as a win, won't we? Oh yeah, one last thing, not sure I mentioned. AdvantageAutoparts.co.uk. That's where the parts came from, and like you've seen, it was a perfect fit. OEM quality, really good. Not a sponsored video, obviously. I'm too small for that. No one's giving me free stuff. But yeah, ordered it Sunday night, dispatched yesterday, arrived today, 1 o'clock Tuesday. It's now 3 o'clock and my new caliper's on. So, looking for bits and bobs? See them on eBay, get on there, they'll sort you out. So, thanks for watching. Obviously the other things I got to do was, like giving the brake a few pumps. See the level was on max, it's now dropped to halfway down. Like I say, we got some fresh stuff to put in, pump the pedal, and then I'm not going to do the other caliper today, because why bother, and then I can clean my mess on the floor, jobs are good done. But then I want to use this nice weather, get onto these scratches and stuff, so a few other easier jobs. So, thank you for watching, like and subscribe for more professional videos. I'll see you on the next one.